students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS reading question types. This is part 4. So the ninth type is choosing a title. In choosing a title, you will be given the passage and you will have to find the title that suits the passage the best. You will have to make sure that you have to find the main aim of the passage. Okay, so how do you find that? You will have to read the introductory passage carefully and the conclusion and try to find what it is talking about. Okay, what the passage is entailing to. This is usually the last question. Okay, we'll take a look at an example. So let's look at the question. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Which of the following is the most suitable title? Option A is Scientific Breakthroughs in Astrology. B. Echoes of the Extraterrestrial Beings. C. Calibrating the Cosmos. And D. Exploring the Mysteries of the Universe. Okay, so if we look at the passage, we will see in the introductory lines, in the boundless expanse of the cosmos where galaxies swirl in majestic spirals and nebulae glow with ethereal beauty, a symphony of celestial bodies dances to the silent rhythm of the universe. And at the end it states about the twinkling stars above beckon us to explore, discover and reach beyond the confines of our world and touch the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. Okay, so if we look at the questions carefully and our options, we'll see that the passage does not talk about astrology. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. So what is astrology? Astrology and astronomy are very different. In astrology, we have priests who study the movement of planets and stars and then they find about future, what the future entails to. Okay, while in astronomy we study about planets. Okay, so since the passage does not talk about astrology, option A cannot be the right answer. Echoes of extraterrestrial beings is option B. So we will see that in the passage there is no mention of extraterrestrial beings. What are extraterrestrial beings? Aliens. Okay, so this cannot be the right answer. Option C is calibrating the cosmos. What is calibration? Calibration means to mark units, to measure something. Okay, that is calibration. So if you look at the passage, nowhere it talks about measurement, okay, or distances. So this cannot be the right answer. Now we have option D, exploring the mysteries of the universe. Okay, now in a conclusion it says the twinkling stars above beckon us to explore. Okay, it is telling us to explore something, to discover, to reach beyond the confines of our world and touch the infinite possibilities that lie beyond. So the answer should be option D, exploring the mysteries of the universe. Okay, the 10th type is short answers. In short answers, you will be given a question and you will have to find the correct answer. Okay, the main aim is to find the keywords what the question is asking and then write the correct answer. You will have instructions like write no more than 3 words or a number. Okay, the instructions are choose no more than 3 words and or a number from the text for each answer. Question number 1 is how are galaxies described in the passage? Okay, in section 1 we'll see it says galaxies swirl in majestic spirals. Okay, and nebulae glow with ethereal beauty. So the answer should be majestic spirals. Okay, question number 2, what kind of infernos are mentioned? Okay, so if we look at the passage in section 2, it states from the fiery infernos of newborn stars. So the answer should be fiery. Okay. Third question is what is the cosmic tapestry holding? So if we look at the passage, we'll see each corner of this cosmic tapestry holds a story waiting to be told, a mystery yearning to be unraveled. So the answer should be stories and mysteries. Okay. The last question is What do ancient supernovae leave behind? So, section 3 states it is a realm where time flows like a river, carrying with it echoes of ancient supernovae. So, answer should be echoes. Okay, so this is short answer questions. The 11th and the last type is diagram completion. In diagram completion, you'll be given a diagram and you will have to label the diagram. Okay, again, do not get clustered. This is a very simple question. The main aim is once you find a keyword, you will find how the diagram is labeled or you will find the correct answer. Okay, so let's look at the examples. Now the question states label the tunnels on the diagram below. Choose your labels from the box below the diagram. Write your answers in boxes 6 to 8 on your answer sheet. If you look at the diagram, you will see we have a cow pat or dung. We have approximate depth in centimeters below surface, and in the key we have dung beetle types. Okay, dung beetles are basically insects that live below the ground. Okay, they sometimes come up as well. We have different types of beetles here: French, Mediterranean, Australian native, Spanish, South African, ball roller. In the approximate depth in centimeters below surface, we have 0, that's just on the ground, 10 centimeters below the ground level, 20 centimeters below the ground level, and 30 centimeters. Okay, so let's look at the passage. So if we look at the passage, we will see the line most species bury into the soil and bury dung in tunnels directly underneath the parts which are hollowed out from within. Some large species originating from France excavate tunnels to a depth of approximately 30 centimeter below. So you can clearly see the answer for 7th should be French. Why? Because they excavate, they like dig the ground up to 30 centimeter, which is a marking of the 7th question. Okay, so for answer number 7, it should be French. Okay, now we have 6 and 8 left. The beetles make sausage shaped brood chambers along the tunnels. The shallowest tunnels belong to a much smaller Spanish species that buries dung in chambers that hang like fruit from the branches of a pear tree. Okay, so shallowest means smallest level or the uppermost level. Okay, so the answer for 8 should be Spanish. Okay, now we have the 6th one left, which is at the level of 20 centimeters. So we will see South African beetles dig narrow tunnels of approximately 20 centimeter below. So the answer for 6th should be South African. So this is how you do diagram labeling. You highlight the keywords. And what is the keyword here? Approximate depth in centimeters. Okay, and then you have to find the answers. Okay, so this was IELTS reading question types. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button